Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to take apart this here bench seat. I asked Chuck to do a video on it and he wouldn't do it, so I'm going to go ahead and see whatever the hell I can do. And the guy who had it before me put it on there. See these rings? Grab, separate, take it out. Get all that stuff over there done?
Nope.
Well, why not?
They're hard. And I think they're rusted together.
You're nothing on this truck rusted together. What are you talking about?
Your truck is rust.
I don't know how well this is gonna film. For one, come down here and of course Dad's out there mowing because, well, why wouldn't he be mowing? That's what he does. But yeah, it's August. It's always hot in August. See that? See that, fellas? See the snap-on right there? These things don't work where the fuck. Grabbing a hold of shit. Dykes work much better. Well, fellas, so far this here cobalt grip-on socket worked pretty good, especially on this cobalt gearless ratchet. No spinny, no clicky, nothing but spinny. No break-free sealed Peter. Oh. See that? Most people would take 3 or 4 guys to get that loose. Just me. With a screwdriver.
You sure you aren't giving yourself too much credit?
Yeah. This side, come on. Gonna hold that thing and turn. Put your legs into it. You got a back? Get your fucking neck involved.
Dad!
Come on. Get them ears to fucking flexing. Get that damn boy out of there. Come on, damn kids.
You do it.
I thought you was tough. See that?
Don't even.
See that? That's all it takes. All it takes is a little Gen X. The millennials ain't got nothing.
I'm not a millennial.
Oh, you're not?
No.
So what are you? Is there something out there worthless, more worthless than a millennial?
Did you just call me worthless?
You're not very good at taking screws out.
Dad!
Ah, look at that.
That's not what my future entails.
Now, once you get it on there, hold it back here by this head, hold this straight, and then use your other hand to push on it hard. And now you can just spin it up from the bench, but we gotta get this. We gotta get these legs pulled off. Probably should have taken that spring off of there. But ain't got time for that. You can see how I do it. Grab it here and just rock it straight down. The dikes are just popping right down there. I'm rich. They're like 35 cents in there. This thing right here, this quarter says 1970 on it, which is what my truck is. It says like I think it's 1995. So that's probably actually out of my pocket. So how you doing, Jackson?
Jackson. Oh, my poor baby. There's so many bugs.
Sat over there for at least a month or two.
Well, besides that, the truck sat for years.
14 years. Sat for 14 years. Take that and throw it out in the back of the truck. Alright, these are all the tools we needed. I had more of them out there, but this is the only thing we used. Number 4, Craftsman Professional, but it's a number 4-bit Western Forge. Craftsman side cutters. These are much better. These are the Craftsman Professional from way back in the day. But they got that bigger head on it. It gets you a little bit more leverage when you grab a hold of that hall ring and just flip your wrist, and some bitch pop right out. These were the $5 Cobalt ones I got. And these whole grip right fucking things. Because I didn't know if they were going to be rusted in place or what. The only one I used, you can see it there, is the 1/2 inch. They're right there on top of that light that needs to get put up. Probably about 8 inches or so, 9 inches, 10 inches of extension. Of course, the Cobalt gearless ratchet, because I'll be making a whole lot of racket when the old man's mowing the yard. May run over a dog or a rabbit or something because he can't hear what's going on. I'm over here clicking away with a fucking ratchet. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate. HardKnocksForge, gmail.com. Don't send me any panties. They never fit.